Novavax announces a modification to its existing agreement with the U.S. government to deliver up to 1.5 million doses of its COVID-19 vaccine. This agreement is part of an ongoing efforts to smooth the transition in bringing the vaccine to the commercial market. And Novavax, Julie, was just very late even getting into the COVID-19 vaccine game. That's why you've just seen the stock continue to be hammered. But today, a little bit of well-deserved news, I would say, for Novavax.
Yeah, I mean, Novavax has a protein-based vaccine versus the mRNA vaccine that has been so much more prevalent, right, by the other vaccine makers. And so Novavax has been sort of an also-ran in this whole situation. As we know, the government is winding down the emergency status of the COVID-19 pandemic. And we know that the government already holds a number of Novavax vaccine. In fact, they bought 3.2 million doses of the vaccine. But a lot of those have either expired or they're going to expire. Some people can't take the mRNA vaccines because of allergies. So Novavax vaccine would represent an alternative for them. So that's one of the reasons that this is an attractive thing for the government to do. So it's definitely helpful. There's also the journal reporting that the government is also going to support the company's efforts to develop other vaccines, protein-based vaccines for other illnesses. So we'll see what ends up happening with those efforts as well.
Just a little kick in the pants because, of course, you have a new CEO at Novavax. Kick in the pants to Stanley Urk. He just stepped down January 23rd as CEO. New CEO, John Jacobs. So win for John, a kick in the butt for Big Stanley.
Yeah, and those Novavax shares, by the way, fell some 93% last year because the vaccine did not prove to be sort of as popular or as profitable as perhaps expected. And then they haven't bounced back this year, by the way. They're still down by about 4%. So that's something to mention as well.